My name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready for that?
Yes, of
Good.
course.
Do you like music?
Yes, sir, I like music
Can you please
because
pull the mic closer to you?
yes, sir, I like music because it gives me some comfortable feelings, and so it is also I'm listening that music nowadays. And when was I listen the music, it gives me some feelings like that about good. And if I feeling nonsense about comfort and feeling not well, so I see. And also the music that I was recently listening is about. Uh, English language and English related songs.
Okay, have you ever learned to play any musical instrument?
Yes, a couple of years ago, I had learned about piano, and that is my favorite musical instrument, and it is where my city. It is and I came there. I had gone there, so I am interested to learn there.
Okay, what instrument do you think is best for children to learn?
That it is about not a many of instruments are now in proper way. So for children, I think they used to learn about some musical instrument like guitar and other that.
Do you think music should be taught in schools?
No, so I think that it is give them a sense of other thing nonsense like that, and it should may damage their some responsibilities, and their it cause some bad habits to them.
We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a type of music that you like a lot. Here is the topic. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes, and after that, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes. You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
The music that is I have listening nowadays is that about traditional music, and that is our in our region, that is Asia. So I like that because this music is about our ancestors, and that is a traditional music also. So it is about Qawwali, and that in our region it is called as name. So I think that I have been listening this. I had been listening this from 2 years ago, and I'm interested also in it. And how often that was I listen, how often I am listening this music is about 2 to 4 hours a day per day. And I think other thing is that the music can make me feel happy, and when I feel some stressed and pressured feeling, so I prefer to listen that music, and it give me some comfortable feelings. And other thing is that the music that is also important to me is that about English songs like that, and it increases my thoughts and vocabulary, the type of the about
All
language.
right. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What traditional music do you have in your culture?
It is about some Punjabi music that is about language, and it is a languageal music. And other is that about some Urdu music. About that is types of. There are many types of music in my country recently that are in action. That are some uh,
How
tradition.
important is it for the culture to have musical traditions?
Because musical. Sir, repeat.
How important is it for a culture to have musical traditions?
For a culture it is I think it is important because culture is very important for people to know. And if there are musical things in culture, then the new generations will get it easily, and they understand what type of music that have their ancestors listen.
Why
And
do you think countries have national anthems or national songs?
because this is representative thing for countries, because countries are many too much countries in the world, and they are recognized by their themes and by their national anthems also.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Well, mainly grammatical mistakes. That is your number one concern. Like in part one, you said I feeling. Instead of I feeling, it should have been I feel. And organization of your answer. Try to speak in a relaxed way. Don't speak so fast. Just speak in a relaxed way and focus what you speak. Then we've got certain issues related to clarity. What you speak at times, because grammatically it is wrong, so it's not clear. The listener will not understand what you want to say.
Yes.
And then grammatical mistakes like it cause instead of it causes and all that. In speaking part 2, like where you had to talk about a musical type of music, so it could be better if you could use anything like classical music
Yes.
or flute or any other type of music, because you have to specify whatever you speak.
Yes, sir.
And after listening, we use two, like listen to music, listen to flute, listen to this and that, right? And you said I have listening. I have listening is wrong. It should be I listen, right? So these type of mistakes are very, very frequent. And in part 3 also, you are lacking content knowledge in your answer. So looking at all these things, at present I will rate you at 5 band. And your main area for improvement is tenses and grammar. Once you improve that, then automatically things will be better. Thank you.